Humans naturally collaborate in circles, the same way we gather around a campfire. And in the meeting space, this means around a tabletop collaboration device. This gets you the highest fidelity audio experience. Mics are closest to those talking, and speakers are closest to those listening. Everything from the touch interface for one-touch joining Teams and Zoom meetings, to your mics, speakers, even mute indicators, are packed into a single device that sits right on your tabletop. Crestron's Mercury and Mercury Mini line provides the greatest audio quality in a compact, all-in-one video collaboration device. Now, these systems are focused for your medium to large spaces due to its incredible sound quality, but it can also be packaged with a large room Teams certified 12x zoom PTZ camera that'll track you with your meeting participants as you walk around the space. Possibly the greatest feature of these all-in-one kits is their simplicity for install. Full cable extension built right into the devices to keep it one cable to the table for easy deployment. And on the topic of flexibility, all of these tabletop kits provide native BYOD to join any meeting at any time beyond just your native Teams or Zoom room system. And true to Crestron, full room integration and even camera controls are capable from a button right on the screen itself. Most importantly, deploying these devices at scale can all be done remotely through Crestron's XIO Cloud Room System Management platform.